Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see 8 milkshakes, a badam milk and a cold coffee recipe. In this, the first recipe will be badam milk. Before moving to milk part, you have to get ready with two things. One is almonds. You have to soak the almonds overnight. This is around 20 almonds. I have already soaked the almonds for nearly 10 hours. So remove the skin and set this aside. Almonds are ready. Next we are going to fry some nuts. Take 3 to 4 cashews, 3 to 4 almonds, 5 to 6 pistas. Now fry them well. Roast this well for few minutes in low flame. The nuts are ready and let this cool down. Once it cools down, transfer this into a mixie jar. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 cardamom. Grind this as fine as possible. This is ready. The nuts powder is ready. Set this aside. Next, in a bowl, take 1/4 cup of milk. Add a big pinch of saffron into this. Let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. By the time, let us grind the almonds. Grind it as fine as possible and add the saffron milk. Grind it once again, you'll get a nice fine paste. The almond paste is also ready. These two are the main things you have to get ready before moving on to the milk part. The nuts powder and the almond paste. Now take half a liter of milk. Bring it to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, keep it in low flame and add the almond paste. Now cook in low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes. The almonds raw smell has gone now. Start adding the nuts powder little by little and give a nice mix. We have added all the nuts powder. After this, we are going to reduce the milk for about 3/4 of its quantity. Yellow food color is purely optional. If you want, you can add a little. Don't reduce too much, it will become too thick. Just reduce a 1/4 part of the milk. Here, the badam milk is ready. Let us transfer this into a glass. You can serve this hot or you can refrigerate this and serve chill. Both will taste so good. The next recipe will be strawberry milkshake. For this we need around 8 to 10 strawberries. Cut them into small pieces. The strawberries are ready. Transfer this into a mixie jar. To this add around 2 tablespoons of sugar and a cup of chilled milk. The milk here is already boiled and chilled. Blend this well. To this we are going to add 2 scoops of ice creams, around 1/4 cup. Now blend this again until it is smooth. The milkshake is ready. Let us transfer this into the serving glass. Today let us prepare a simple version of cold coffee without fresh cream or ice cream. Let us move on to the recipe. I am going to prepare 2 big cups of cold coffee. So for this I need 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder. To this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water and give a nice mix. We are going to use the mixie jar only for few seconds, so if you want to get the full flavor, beat it nicely till it is frothy. This is perfect. Let this aside, we are going to use this later. Now take a mixie jar, add 2 cups of boiled and chilled milk. Now add the coffee mix. I am just showing you the simple version of cold coffee, and if you want this to be more creamy, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream or a scoop of ice cream. Now to this let us add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup and about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 to 4 ice cubes. Blend this for few seconds, don't blend this too much. That is, we are going to blend this till it is frothy and it is mixed well. This is perfect. To serve this, I am going to spread some chocolate syrup in a serving glass. This is perfect. Now let us pour the cold coffee into this. Finally, top this with some chocolate pieces. You can top it with some whipped cream. It will be very nice. Next is papaya melon smoothie. For this we need a cup of papaya and a cup of muskmelon. Papaya and muskmelon combo will give a nice creamy texture to the milkshake. To this add 2 ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup curd or yogurt, and half a cup of boiled and chilled milk. Now blend this until it is smooth. The papaya muskmelon smoothie is ready. Now let us transfer this into a serving glass. The next recipe is mango milkshake. Take around 1.5 cups of chopped mangoes. To this add half a cup of ice cream. It can be of any flavor. The mango and ice cream itself will have sweetness, so if necessary add some sugar. You can add around 3 to 4 tablespoons or according to your taste. Finally, let us add a cup of milk. This is already boiled and chilled. Give a nice blend until it is smooth. The milkshake is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. If you want, you can add some ice cubes. Serve this chill. The next recipe is chocolate milkshake. For this I am going to use 2 small sized Snickers. You can try any kind of chocolates for this, but chocolates with caramel will taste so good for the milkshake. Now cut the chocolates into small pieces. Chocolates are ready. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a cup of boiled and chilled milk, half a cup of ice cream, preferably vanilla, 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now let us blend this for a few minutes. This is ready. Let us serve this in a glass. Serve this chill. As a finishing touch, top it with some cocoa powder. Our chocolate milkshake is ready. Next, we are going to see frozen mango smoothie. This will have a smooth and creamy texture like ice cream, and it will taste so good. For this, take 2 small bananas. Chop the bananas into an airtight container. To this, we are going to add 1 large mango, peel the skin and chop it and add into this. Instead of an airtight container, you can also use Ziploc cover. Close the container tightly and freeze this for about a day or 2. While we are using, the fruits has to be hard. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a cup of boiled and chilled milk. Half a cup of yogurt or curd. The required amount of sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Close this and blend until it is smooth. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. Top this with few chopped almonds and pistas. Serve this chill. The next recipe is papaya smoothie. For this, take a cup of papaya. To this, add a cup of milk. The milk here is already boiled and chilled. To this, add half a cup of curd and around 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Blend this until it turns creamy. The milkshake is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Optionally, you can top this with some papaya pieces. Next is avocado milkshake. For this, let us take one avocado. Cut this into 2 halves and scoop the pulp. This is ready. Transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a cup of boiled and chilled milk. Blend this well. This recipe doesn't need an ice cream. Already the fruit itself will be creamy, so the milkshake will become creamy. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Next, let us see kiwi milkshake. We are going to make 2 glasses, so I'm going to take 2 kiwi fruits. Peel the skin and cut them into small pieces. Chopped kiwis are ready. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add few tablespoons of sugar according to your taste and 1 cup of boiled and chilled milk, 4 to 5 tablespoons of ice cream. You can use any flavored ice cream, but vanilla will be very nice. Now blend this into a fine smoothie. Our kiwi smoothie or kiwi milkshake is ready. Serve this chill. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.